Every morning, the dusty village road came alive with laughter as children walked together to school. Among them were two best friends, Ayo and Sade, who were always side by side. They shared everything: books, snacks, and even secrets. Their classmates admired their strong friendship. At school, Ayo and Sade sat next to each other, studied together, and helped each other with lessons. If Sade didn't understand something, Ayo explained it. If Ayo forgot his lunch, Sade shared hers. Their friendship was full of kindness and trust. Another classmate named Kunle watched them closely. He felt left out and jealous. He wished he had a friendship like theirs, but instead of joining them kindly, jealousy filled his heart. He began thinking of ways to separate them. One afternoon, Kunle quietly hid his own pencil inside Ayo's school bag without anyone noticing. Later, he suddenly shouted, "My pencil is missing!" The classroom became silent as everyone looked around. Kunle pretended to search everywhere, then pointed at Ayo. "I saw you near my desk. You must have taken it," he said. The teacher asked Ayo to open his bag, and there it was, the missing pencil. Ayo was shocked. He knew he didn't take it. Sade looked at Ayo with hurt and disappointment. She didn't know what to believe. Even though Ayo insisted he was innocent, doubt filled her heart. She slowly stopped talking to him, and their joyful walks became silent and lonely. Days passed, and the two friends no longer laughed together. Ayo felt heartbroken that his best friend didn't trust him. Sade felt sad too, but she believed what she saw. Kunle watched from a distance, thinking his plan had worked. But another classmate named Bisi had seen everything. She saw Kunle hide the pencil in Ayo's bag. She knew the truth and felt it was wrong to stay silent. It was wrong to stay silent. Gathering courage, she told the teacher and Sade what really happened. Kunle was called forward and could no longer deny it. He admitted he lied because he was jealous of their friendship. Sade felt ashamed for not trusting Ayo. She apologized sincerely, and Ayo forgave her because he valued their friendship more than his hurt. The next morning, Ayo and Sade walked to school together again, smiling and laughing just like before. Kunle also learned an important lesson about honesty and friendship. From that day on, the children understood that true friendship is built on trust, and lies can never destroy what is real.